How to turn off app sound on Facebook. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily turn off sounds on Facebook application. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's dive into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook. So the sounds that I'm talking about is if you are trying to react to something, it will make this popping sound, or if you want to react something else like this, it will create another sound. And if you don't want any of these sounds on your Facebook, just follow these simple steps to turn it off. The first thing you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right, and once you head over to your menu, swipe down to find settings and privacy and navigate your way to the settings menu. Now, all you need to do is scroll down a bit, and under preferences, you'll find different option. Just tap on the media, and right on the bottom, you'll find the sounds in the app. Go ahead and turn this off. And you can also turn this one off. Video starts with sound. And once you have turned off everything, just go back and try to like anything again. And as you can see, it doesn't make any sound now. So if you try to like anything else, it won't make any sound. That's how you turn off sound on Facebook. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.